Hello everybody, my name is Neda Aliakshari. I'm an English teacher from Ovan at ABHISHEK Coaching. Today we're gonna learn some adjectives how to describe a place. So let's dive in. Stunning. Stunning means so attractive. Vast. Vast means so large. The lake is vast and brilliantly blue. The lake is vast and brilliantly blue. The lake is crystal clear. Crystal clear means so clean. Breathtaking. Breathtaking. So impressive. Now it's your turn to use these adjectives and try to describe this place.